Welcome to another episode of Math with Miss Bertrand. Here we're going to do worksheet 3 in the order of operations starting level. As always, when we do any worksheet with order of operations, we write PEDMAS at the top. By now you should know what that means. So I'm going to help you solve the first question on this worksheet. And on the side of my page, I'm going to write out my question. So it's 4 plus 6 times 8, unless you have small enough writing to do it right underneath, but I'd like you to show your work. So when we look at this question, we have two operations. We have addition, and then we have multiplication. And then we go up to our order of operations, and we look, well, which one comes first? Is the addition or multiplication comes first? And we can see here that the multiplication comes before addition. So we need to do 6 times 8 first. Now, if you know your math facts, you can solve that in your head or you can grab a calculator. But 6 times 8 is 48, and then you would just copy down the 4 and the plus because you didn't use those. So that's just transcribed or moved down. So then you're left with 4 plus 48, and again, you can do some mental math with that one and get 52. And then you just write 52 in your answer box. And that's it.